Hi guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. It is a Friday. It doesn't feel like a Friday, but it's a beautiful day out. I woke up a little while ago, got dressed and ready for the day. I'm eating my yogurt and fruit. I would have shown you guys me making it, but I think you've seen that probably like at least 100 times by now. This morning, I wanted to take Lennon for a walk. I've been taking her to this like reservation that's kind of close by me. It's like a little bit of a drive, but you can like go and take hikes and stuff there. So since it's a nice day, I wanted to enjoy the outdoors. I've been kind of in like a weird like funk lately, just like mentally, so I want this vlog to be kind of about like getting back into a good routine, because I feel like I have not been prioritizing my routines at all lately, and also just like starting some healthy habits and just like self-care, you know. So that's what this vlog is gonna be, and I'm excited to go on a nice little walk outside. I'm wearing this cute little leggings and sports bra set from Set Active. The sweatshirt is from Princess Polly. We are back from our walk. It was so nice. Lennon's so tired. She's gonna take like a 5-hour nap now, watch. There's something about like getting out and walking, especially on days when the weather's nice, that just like puts me in the best mood. I don't know why, I just feel like I'm doing something with my day. I'm like getting fresh air, getting my steps in. It's definitely good to have like little things like that that you can rely on, that you know are gonna like put you in a better mood, which that's kind of a good transition into today's sponsor. So I want to thank BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. May is actually Mental Health Awareness Month, and I'm such a huge advocate for like talking candidly about mental health. I think it's so important because you never know what someone else is going through. If there's something interfering with your happiness or preventing you from achieving your goals, then BetterHelp may be perfect for you. BetterHelp will assess your needs and match you with your own licensed therapist, and you can start communicating with them within 48 hours. It's not a crisis line or self-help, but it's professional counseling done securely online. I've been super interested in starting therapy for a long time now, but it was one of those things where I just kept putting it off because I didn't know where to even start. I didn't know how to find a therapist that I would mesh well with. So BetterHelp makes it so easy and convenient, and you can do it right from your own home. BetterHelp is available worldwide, and they have a network of over 15,000 counselors, which not everyone has access to depending on where you live. You can log in whenever and you'll get timely and thoughtful responses. Plus you can schedule weekly video or phone sessions, so you never have to sit in an uncomfortable waiting room ever again. BetterHelp also wants everyone to find a great match, so it's easy and free to switch counselors if needed. Also, traditional therapy can be so expensive, so BetterHelp makes it so much more affordable, and financial aid is also available. BetterHelp wants you to start living a happier life today. I think everyone that wants therapy should have access to it. So I'm such a huge fan of BetterHelp making therapy more accessible and affordable for everyone. You guys can visit betterhelp.com/Cidlik, that's better HELP, and join the over 1 million people taking charge of their mental health with the help of a licensed professional. You guys will get 10% off your first month if you click the link in the description, so definitely check it out. And thank you so much again to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. Next task of the day, I'm gonna head to Trader Joe's because I am in need of groceries. So we're gonna do a stock up. Time for a quick little Trader Joe's haul. You guys know the drill. Starting over here, I got some chicken, some salmon. The salmon that I've been making for dinners lately is so good. It's like my favorite dinner. I have it at least once a week now, and I literally crave it. So I got some salmon to make for dinners, obviously. I got some cherry tomatoes and mozzarella. I used to make this lunch like last summer a lot. It's basically just a caprese salad, but with avocado. So you do like cherry tomatoes, little mozzarella balls, and avocado, and then like this balsamic glaze on top, and it's so good. So I don't know why I like randomly thought of that, but I got all the ingredients to make that for lunches. I got this like creamy garlic tzatziki dip, and I also got a cucumber that I can like slice up and dip into that for a little healthy snack. Got some sourdough bread to make toast with, some pears. Now that it's May and we're getting into like summer, fruit is really in season, and I love fresh fruit just to like snack on, so I just got some pears, zucchini, avocados, lemons, blueberries, raspberries, green beans, eggs, a can of corn for this dinner I'm gonna make, these apple mango like applesauce things, my favorite pre-made salad from Trader Joe's, some almond yogurt, and then just for desserts I have my favorite little mini ice cream cones, and then these like fruit bar popsicle things are really good. So that's the haul. Hello, it's a little bit later now. I'm in my bathroom because I'm going to get ready and put some makeup on. I'm just going to Hoboken tonight to hang out with my friend Madison. I want to film like a full summer get ready with me and show you guys like all the makeup products I've been using lately. But I thought I would just show you what I've been doing for my skin. I'm pretty sure I showed a couple vlogs ago, I got these Fenty Beauty Blurring Skin Tint Ease Drop things. So it's kind of like a super lightweight foundation. It just like evens things out and kind of like blurs your skin, and I've been really liking them so far. What I do is first I just go in with concealer on any like blemish areas. I've been breaking out a little bit on my forehead and like on my chin here, so I'm just gonna cover those first with Tarte Shape Tape. Hi kitty. Kitty. Hello. Sometimes I don't know what my cat is thinking. I wish I could see into her head. Kitty, speak. Good girl. Okay, so after concealer, I go in with the skin tint. This is in the shade 6. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna put this all over my face and blend it out with my beauty blender. So that's kind of what it looks like, and then I'll just put like concealer and everything else normal. I definitely need to go buy a new shade of this concealer because the one I use is light medium honey, and it's like a little too light for me now. I've been in the sun, but the next shade that I have is medium, and that's like way too dark to go under my eyes. I need something in between. Why are we all wearing the same thing? Good morning. It is now Sunday. We skipped a little day there, but today's actually Mother's Day, so I'm driving over to my parents' house right now, and my mom and I have this little day planned. We're going to this place in like upstate New York. It's called Storm King, and it's like an outdoor sculpture garden, so you can go and like walk around, you can bring food, but they have like art and sculptures and stuff. So my mom's been wanting to go there for a while, so it's like the perfect little Mother's Day activity. Also yesterday I didn't really vlog at all, but I wanted to tell you guys that I went to my first ever Pilates class. So I've been wanting to try Pilates for a while. I don't really do a lot of like workout classes. I never really do. When I work out, I usually just go to the gym in my building because it's free and it's there. But I feel like I would have more fun and also like be more productive in my workouts if I went to classes. So I wanted to try Pilates and see if I liked it. It seemed very like up my alley because it's not a lot of like cardio or anything. It's more just like strengthening. It's a lot of like core and leg workouts. It's like on the reformer machine. So I went to just like the free trial class. So it's only like 30 minutes. It's like a shortened version. But it's just kind of to like see if you like it and like get a feel of like the basics of Pilates. So I went yesterday and I actually really liked it. It was like fun and it was like challenging but like still enjoyable. The instructor was really nice and everything. So I signed up for the membership. So I'm doing like 8 classes a month, so like 2 a week basically, and I already signed up for my 2 for this week. This at least like forces me to get these 2 workouts in a week, and then hopefully on the other days I can just like go to the gym and do like 12 to 3:30 or whatever. So yeah, I'm excited about it. I will keep you guys updated as I take more classes. Yeah, that's what I did yesterday. So I'm gonna focus on driving, but I'll talk to you guys later today. Iced coffee for the road. Hi guys, it is much later in the day now. I just got home a little while ago after my mom and I went to that sculpture garden thing, which was really cool by the way. We just went back to my parents. I made my mom and I my little like air fryer salmon dinner that I make all the time, and we just hung out. We played some Uno. It was a really nice Mother's Day, but I just got home. I'm gonna take my makeup off and get ready for bed, but I wanted to show you guys some skincare before I go to sleep and end off this vlog because I've actually been using a few like new products that I haven't talked to you guys about yet. So we're just gonna go through the nighttime skincare routine. I'm gonna take my makeup off. I use this Simple Micellar Water first, mainly just on my eyes to take my mascara off. And then I use the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Oil to take everything else off. For my cleanser, I've been using this Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. I love this face cleanser. I've been using it morning and night. It's so like gentle on my skin and it just feels so nice. And it leaves my skin like super clean and soft. And I love the packaging because it's glass and it just like sits on my counter really pretty, and it has a pump, which is so nice. So I'm gonna take my makeup off and get my face all nice and clean. Okay, skin is nice and clean now. Next, I'm going in with this product. You've probably heard of it. It's the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. I started using this probably like a month ago now, and not to be dramatic, but it has changed my life. It's incredible. I was breaking out really badly like at the beginning of April, and I started using this and it cleared my skin in like literally a few days. I just take a little bit onto my hand and just kind of like press it into my skin. I don't use this every day because it is BHA, so I don't want to like over exfoliate my skin. So I use this like every other day, and it can be like a little bit drying, so I use like a good moisturizer, and then the days that I don't use this, I usually use the Inkey List Hyaluronic Acid Serum because that's like super hydrating. But this stuff is incredible. They sell it at Sephora now. I highly, highly, highly recommend this product. And then I'm just gonna go in with my normal First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Now, since it is a Sunday, I'm gonna do a little bit of like extra self-care tonight. So I'm gonna use my gua sha on my face. I started doing this a while ago. I've always loved doing like lymphatic drainage. I think it feels amazing, and it's so good for like depuffing, and it like helps clear your sinuses. There's like a ton of science to it, but the gua sha is like a traditional Chinese skincare practice. So I'm gonna start with my neck and then do my face, and I'm gonna use some of this Drunk Elephant marula oil. This is just oil that I have on hand, but you can use like any oil or serum or whatever. So I'm just gonna take a few drops of this and put this on my neck. I'm just gonna speed through this, but I'll leave the video that I watched down below to learn like the different techniques and stuff to use this. Alright, now I'm nice and greased up, but I'm heading to bed now, so I'm going to end off this vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Love you guys so, so much, and I will see you very soon with another new video. Bye!